one second. I need to do that. My apologies, folks. This door propped open. Still getting all the things for it.
Yeah.
They look to us to perfect what they established. Woodrow Wilson.
Sweetheart. Enough for you, Philip, buddy. Enjoy your ride.
Heard by Gettysburg civilians as they sheltered in their homes awaiting the end of the battle. There were more than 600 cannons in use during the Battle of Gettysburg, extension of the famous Blue Ridge Mountain Range in Tennessee, Virginia, and Maryland. The range extends about We are now approaching the Newville, or Big Louisville Road, modern-day Route 34, leading north out of Gettysburg. This is one of the 10 major roads that converge at Gettysburg. On July 1st, 1863, about 7,000 men of Confederate General Robert Rhodes' division passed here on their way to join the battle. In the area, George Washington traveled this road in 1794, and in the area we're now riding through, a Civil War skirmish took place on June 26, 1863, between the 26th Pennsylvania Emergency Regiment and Confederate troops under the
Can I see?